là.
A shotgun, okay.
C'est la guerre autour de moi. Il y a des Warden qui tirent au fusil à pompe pour reprendre la locomotive. Vraiment, ramenez-vous, c'est trop bien. Il faut du 40 et de la 12-7. Ne serait-ce qu'un chargeur de 12-7 déjà, on pourrait allumer avec la locomotive. Genre. Enfin, avec le ballon de baston. C'est bon, on est en train de disable la loco avant.
Someone have ammo? Man, we don't have 12.7 yet.
C'est n'importe quoi.
Bon, je vais peut-être passer avec de la logique pour le train, mais il y a 4 de queue pour Arslan.
Non, ils sont en train de wrench la loco, le wagon de baston avant.
Oh non. Il faut tuer le baston avant avec le baston arrière.
On a pas de munitions. Hein.
Oh, cette situation, j'adore. Aïe aïe aïe, Bléniche est capturé.
Oh, give us 12.7 for the train, please. Give us like 2 or 3 clips for the train, please. 12.7 for the train, please.
Who has the look on the train?
Buddy, give us some clip. Give us some clip.
Yeah. I'm not hearing some ammo.
Put in the train.
I got a couple.
I'm not fucking getting out of bed. You take it. You do it.
I locked one. Yo. Because the collie's been...
There's a collie in that one, there's a collie in that one.
Someone put something in my train. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You unlock this one?
Which part? Who has the lock on the train? Who has the lock on the train locomotive? We need it.
Not me.
We need it. I don't think he has ammo. I think he's welcome. You have it?
Yeah, I don't have 40.
Okay, now we need 40 millimeters and we can fight with the train. Oh, ils ont mis un typhoon.
Oh.
Alright, mine's
Oh, they got AI. They got AI.
Yeah.
Kill the... Mine right there,
Yeah, I can see it.
Watch out.
Kill the typhoon, save the train. Kill the typhoon, save the train. Bardiche, kill the typhoon.
Pas Typhoon, je crois.
Si, c'est un typhoon.
C'est pas la pillbox?
Non, c'est un typhoon là, derrière les bandes.
Ah, ok.
Yeah, you just gotta send it. I'll like pop a dude one shot. Ah! Let me in the train!
Run, Félix, run! On s'enfuit avec le battle train.
Oh wow.
I'm so happy right now. Ah, it's killing the basic car. I'm inside, but not sure I'm fine.
Is someone inside this one? Okay.
I get my money in case. No, it's shooting my car.
Get in every seat.
I'm in every seat. We can't stall them, we need to use them as they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing stopped shooting. You're on every seat.
No, it's not stopping. No.
No, turn it off. Get in front of it. Block your shots.
Save me.
Alright, that's as far back as we're gonna be able to go with that.
Everything okay?
And we can't repair the car because they are enemy. We need to use them. Hey, AI will not shoot us from the collie, so right? We can like freely PvE anything with this shit, right?
60 shirts in this one. 60 crates of shirts, holy sh...
Nice.
Passe dans Heartland.
T'as du 40 mm?
J'ai du 40 mm et du BMAT, mais j'ai pas de 12-7.
Le 12-7 c'est pas grave.
Oh.
Mais du coup ça veut dire qu'on va pouvoir utiliser le train pour se retourner contre eux. Ça fait trop...
J'ai trop envie de charger à bord de cette machine de mort.
Quand ils vont voir le train revenir, ils vont pas comprendre. Quand ils vont l'entendre tirer, là, ils vont dire ah putain.
Just go between them, shift E and couple rail cars.
The turrets do look like a battle tank.
On va faire un tour aussi par les lampes. J'ai rien dans les mains. Je cours très très vite.
J'arrive, je passe la border.
Ça, j'avais jamais
Oh
encore fait
wait,
dans
yeah,
cette
package and unpackage them. Oh fuck.
Oh, what the fuck?
the fuck was that?
Je suis mis peut-être
Et
pas.
du 75.
Il y a un Talos qui tire. Talos, southwest.
Merde, je viens de mettre.
Talos,
Pas du
southwest.
sud.
Oh non. Faut réparer. C'est bon, il est turret. Et bon.
Faut que j'enlève le charbon.
Oui, oui.
Put it in the inventory.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna die.
Oh, nice.
140 mil. Not a
Nice.
coal. We'll bring back the rest of the coal to the bob.
Pew pew. Collie.
I'm gonna bleed to death.
Oh fuck,
they got
come
me
on,
last
buddy.
Someone in the front train so they don't steal it again. Someone get in the car. Someone get in the car so they don't steal.
This one, sorry.
Il faut qu'on la pète.
Can't couple
That's
it.
fine.
It's blocking this one.
Ah, on a des magnifiques.
Sticky, maman.
Wait,
68 bombes. Ah oui, c'est le.
We need to kill it. We have no choice. We need to kill it.
Récupérer.
We have no choice. We need to kill it.
no, we can't even repair it. It needs to be fully repaired.
Il y en a Outlaw qui vient de passer la border.
Ok, c'est bon, elle est morte. Faut juste mettre du 40 dans les deux autres et on est parti.
Guys, hear me out. We have 120 PC maps, and we could drive this thing to the north.
No,
side.
no, we can't. We cannot build a collie rail and we cannot pack them and change them to another rail. So we have to use them on this rail. No choice. Unfortunately.
Wait, you can't build on top of collie rail? What is this bullshit?
Yeah, it's a collie train.
This one needs 40 mil. This one needs 40 mil.
Yeah, 40 mil coming.
Who's gonna be the
Truck,
driver?
collie truck.
Hey, truck there.
Gone.
J'essaie de le mettre dans le train. Ouais, c'est bon, il est dans le train, le gaz masque. Le gaz masque est dans le train.
MDR. On était une squad de 4 mecs au RPG en train de tirer sur un bâtiment. Il y a un Allemand de la 3SP qui est venu nous engueuler avec son accent allemand.
Shoot de
En
Pelikis.
disant arrêtez
de
de tirer sur
Pelikis.
ce bâtiment, il faut tirer sur un autre. J'ai dit nope, je suis parti.
Shoot
Ils ont
de
pris
Pelikis,
deux Boomaston,
laquais.
ils sont tous morts.
Baggy.
Charge.
Moi, je suis parti avec
He's fueled.
mon
He's
petit nope.
fueled. Charge. He's fueled.
It's fueled?
Yeah, yeah, I fueled it.
En vrai, il a raison, l'allemand.
On charge avec
Ça
le
serait
battle
pas trop
train.
vite.
Vous chargez avec le battle train.
Ouais.
Je peux te ramener des filtres.
On rentre dans l'Hostone. Shoot the gate, shoot the gate. Shoot the gate.
Des filtres.
Mais il y en a qui ont ramené des filtres là.
Pelikis is just behind.
Tiens, Ronnie.
Je sors par l'autre côté quand je sors.
Come on, kill this guy and then we'll kill this LTD. He's scared.
They're terrified. They're terrified of us.
Fucking hell. Oh, he's
Yeah, those gates are tanky.
Fucking gas mask.
It's out, it's out.
He's leaking fuel, he's leaking fuel.
Charge.
Oh, trop bien, il y a des fissures. Vous avez déjà tiré avec un fissura?
Non.
Je mets 2 filtres dans le wagon.
Oh, we got. It's dead, get out.
Yeah, we need to get gas masks.
LTD dead.
We need gas masks. Shit, let me in.
Oh, there's a Talos again.
There's another Talos? What?
Gotta save the base. Load up, load up. We're steaming through.
Il y a un Talos sur le border.
Shoot it.
That traveled.
Both travel.
We're not. We didn't travel. We didn't
Okay,
travel.
wait a second. I have filter in the locomotive. I need to take them. Don't stop here.
No, fuck, did we steal the train? Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what's the funny part about this whole thing?
Let's
This is friendly,
talk
right?
again.
This vehicle is friendly. We don't get shot by the freaking enemy aid.
Are we good to charge? You guys.
As good as we can.
Wait.
I need crew for the machine gun.
You can change them by packing them,
Get in.
picking them up and putting them back.
We can't.
Yeah, but
We can't.
They're damaged.
Can't repair them.
You guys are gonna have to tell me when to stop because I can't see much past the end.
Yeah, charge.
Ah putain, il est revenu. Le tank est revenu sur la border base.
It's crazy.
Bon, après, on a des sticky, hein.
You shoot the bunker base.
Yeah, kill the BB. Stop here.
Et on a un Ironman.
Un woman qui fait la chasse.
On est en train de détruire leur bébé.
C'est grave.
Oh, I'm out of 12-7.
Alors on est à plus de 12-7 dans une DMG.
Oh, and they've got. Oh shoot!
Ah, je prends aller chercher de l'anneau 7.
Ah, c'était trop chaud, hein. Ah merde, on se fait gazer par derrière. Heureusement que ma fille est dessus. Bébé down.
Ouais, il y a de l'anneau 7 dans une bunker pas très loin.
Yo, that AT just shoot us because we're friendly.
You can kill the AT.
Friendly.
Charge.
Friendly, bro. We're friendly.
The AT doesn't have any.
Yeah, we don't have
Friendly, guys. We're
spare
friendly.
AT.
Yo. Shoot the AT, shoot the AT.
Il y aura un tout petit peu de 40 mm dans la border, mais vous avez là quasiment tout dans les wagons déjà.
Ouais, on charge. On charge, on détruit des bunkers là.
Tank, pull back.
Oh, let's fight!
Alright, push forward.
Charge!
Push forward.
Charge! Push forward, let's kill it!
Let's go!
We bound?
Oh, tous.
Okay, you're safe now. Oh, perfect. John is turning perfectly.
Trop fort.
No! On a perdu le driver de la
C'est qui qui est
locomotive.
mort? Me dis pas que c'est Astro.
C'est le mec de la loco.
Oh,
C'est
you
Astro.
locked it.
He must have a wrench on him.
Ah ouais, mais il est où son cadavre?
De l'autre côté du train. Wrench it from, yeah, don't decouple. Wrench from the front of the locomotive. Perfect.
Do you want us to pull back or push
I'm almost out of shells, man. I'm almost out of shells.
Yeah, pull back out of shell.
une safe house, bah je peux pas la détruire parce qu'il faut tirer à l'intérieur.
Ah d'accord.
On est d'accord que c'est vrai pour les safe house mais pas pour les G-house.
Oui.
Ouais.
Ouais bah je tirais sur une G-house. Du coup, il a piqué, c'est mort.
On a tué un MPT avec le Battle Train.
Ouais.
Don't kill, we can gas.
Okay.
No, we need the shells. We need the shells.
Ah, we need the shell. He's right. He's right.
Je le ramène à 12-7 et du gaz masque filtre.
Car.
Mais à l'unité, hein, pas en...
Il faut rejoindre les squads tra pour le Battle Train. Talos, let's charge!
Let's go.
Save the base, charge!
C'est comme bizarre qu'on puisse pas les lock les wagons.
C'est parce qu'ils sont au colis.
Ah, s'ils étaient Warden, ils pourraient être lock?
Ouais. Il y a des gens qui font Talos sur la border.
Ah, on y est. C'est bon, il est mort. Deux colonels, genre. Il y a un autre mec de V, la Felix Steiner. Et un autre barbier. Charge! Get in the locomotive, charge! Go in the train squad! TRAAA! TRAAA squad! Okay, get in, charge!
Chugga.
Let's go! Let's fight!
They're trying to kill the...
Le Q continue de monter.
Oh, he missed.
Charge! Don't stop!
Charge!
Est-ce que vous pouvez voir la santé du train? Non, pas du tout.
Non, on peut même pas le réparer.
Non.
It's slow in reverse.
It goes pretty fast in reverse.
Yeah, just keep getting
You
speed.
need to give it a minute.
That is a lot faster than I thought.
Yeah.
Oh, let's try.
Oh god, I want it! Kill it!
Aim for turret,
aim for
turret!
Oh, we can steal their ammo.
Now it's 68. Ah, we can have 12-7 for the MG right.
Putain, trop fort.
Thanks. It's like, give us like fucking 2 minutes.
Il part depuis le champ de
Don't worry about the machine gun.
Il avait spoté
See what's ahead. Okay, we're going through the highlands.
Je pense qu'il va aller à Longstone et il va se...
Wait, we can flank their take line! We can flank their take line!
Let's go!
Flank. Holy crap!
Let's charge!
Full steam ahead! Go! We can flank!
Where are they?
I've only 5 shells, guys. I've got 5 shells. They're here! They're here behind them!
Let's go!
Yes!
Okay, advance! Don't get killed!
There's one blocking us, Oh shit! No, we're dead! Get out! He's shooting the train!
It's a tragedy, we lost one. Oh, is the train engine out?
Yes!
Shoot that boy!
Oh.
Only 5 shell left.
Alright, well, use what you can. Make them count.
One boss tracked.
I didn't realize you guys need AT shit. Watch out, there's gas on that.
Quelle idée de faire ça.
Okay, locomotive is dead.
Et puis Foxy.
Okay.
Was fun.
Yep. GG.
Yeah. Perfect.
Just run back up there with AT. Run back up there with AT.
Yeah. Let's go sticky the bombs.
Tons of
last
tons
wagon
of
is
space for
dead.
infantry to
We
come
lost the
down
old
because we're on the
train, they
islands.
don't get back.